Lebanon's Shiite group Hezbollah said a key leader of the Islamic State extremist group was killed on Tuesday in the Qalamoun region bordering Syria. The group told local media that Saudi national Walid Abdel Mohsen al-Omari was killed when the Shiite group repelled an attack by IS gunmen near the border. Hezbollah shelled an IS post in the rugged mountain region outside the northeastern border town of Ras Baalbek. The post was destroyed and several extremists, including their leader al-Omari, was killed in the shelling. Hezbollah has recently gained ground against the al-Qaida-linked al-Nusra front in the area. Their victories compelled the al-Nusra front to retreat from their positions.